Welcome back everyone. This is our second lecture of arithmetic operator. In the last lecture, I have explained about the working mechanism of basic arithmetic operators starting from the addition to the remainder, that is the modulus operator. Here we are going to cover one very important point related to the expression and the operators in C program, and it is very important and fundamental point. Here we're going to introduce, we're going to learn actually two concepts that is related to the operator. First of all is the operator precedence. So let's read the definition, what operator precedence is actually mean. Precedence determines which operator is performed first. First, when it tells something that you are first, you are second, you are third, it means what? It means they are participating in one competition. These students participating, or we all participating in one competition. And in this competition, some of the participants become first, some of the participants become second, some of the participants become third. So similarly, if we look at this expression carefully, a equal to 2 into 3 plus 4. So here you can see there are two mathematical operators. One is plus, another is multiplication. Yes, one is plus, another is multiplication. So what operator precedence is actually tells us that operator precedence will inform the compiler, which is mentioned here, determines which part of the expression or which operator will be evaluated first in an expression. This is our expression, correct? This is our expression. In an expression with more than one operators with different precedence. More than one operator with a different precedence. Okay, so this is what this list. List is called operator precedence table. We have discussed 5 arithmetic operator. Out of 5 arithmetic operator, division, modulus, and multiplication, they are equal in precedence, or we can also call it priority. They are equal in priority or in precedence. Similarly, plus and minus, they are also equal in priority. But out of these 5, first 3 is higher in precedence or higher in priority. So means if any of these 3 operator is appear with any of these 2 operator, in that case any of these 3 operator which is appeared with this set of operator will get the higher preferences or higher priority, and that part of the expression will be evaluated first. So let us solve. In this expression, multiplication is the higher in priority or precedence. So that means this part of the expression will be evaluated first. So 2 into 3, it becomes 4. Sorry, it becomes 6. 6 plus 4, the result will be 10. Let's see the second example here. So here you can see minus and division. So division is higher in precedence according to the table. Division is high. So perform the division. So I hope you remember the rules of division. 5 is integer, 4 is also integer. Integer divided by integer, answer will be in integer. So 5 divided by 4, actual result is, if I perform here, 5 divided by 4, it is 1 point something, correct? Okay, so in that case, only 1 will be considered for this one. And now what we are doing, now subtract 3 from it, so we'll get the result as minus 2. Now look at this case, 5 plus 4 modulus by 2. So if you compare, modulus is higher in parity with respect to binary addition. So this part of the expression will be evaluated first. So now 5 plus 4 modulus 2. So 4 modulus 2, remainder is 0. There is no remainder. So definitely answer will be in 5. So what we learned from here, that operator precedence is a mechanism which tells the compiler that which part of the operator or which operator will be evaluated first. If in an expression there are more than one operator with different precedence. So in all these three expressions, there you can see two operators have used, and both the operators in all three expressions has different precedence. Okay, so I hope you understand how to solve this kind of problem. So now let's proceed with the second case. Here is so operators are different. Now what we will do when operators come together with equal precedence? So let's see the second category. Now look at this. Okay, now look at this one. Here the division, multiplication, okay, division and multiplication, they're equal in precedence. Similarly, plus and minus, addition and subtraction is also similar in priority, although addition and subtraction are low in priority, but their parity or precedence are same. So now how to solve this problem? This division will be performed first or this multiplication, because both are in higher in precedence with respect to addition and subtraction. So whenever there is an expression where multiple operator with equal precedence is present, then operator associativity can help us to decide which operator will be evaluated first. So in this expression, we understood this division, okay, this division and this multiplication are equal in precedence. So associativity need to follow now to break this tie. So what associativity tells us that? Associativity tells us that in associativity, either it is left to right or either it is right to left. So here we are using binary arithmetic operator. In binary arithmetic operator, associativity is left to right. For division, multiplication and modulus, similar for addition and subtraction. All arithmetic operator, binary arithmetic operator will act as left to right. So we'll just pick the left side part of the expression. 15 divided by 7, integer divided by integer, answer will be an integer. Next, this part will be evaluated. And then this, so what is the result? 2 into 4 become 8. 8 plus 3 minus 2 will be the result. So 11 minus 2 is 9 is the result. Let's see the second one again. Second case. There we have modulus and multiplication. These are higher in priority. This is our table, higher in priority. So which part should I pick? Left to right, because they work in left to right. So left to right. 2 modulus 3, answer will be 1. Sorry. Remainder will be 2. And then we need to multiply with 5. So it will be the next chance. And then plus 3 minus 1. So the result will be 10 plus 3 minus 1. So next, this part will be evaluated first. Plus and minus equal in priority. Plus should be left to right. So 13 minus 1, it becomes 12. Now third example, division and multiplication. So again, division and multiplication are equal in parity, as well as we have modulus. So in these three are equal in parity, equal in precedence as well. So which one should we pick? Left to right. Okay. So now we are dividing 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 multiply with 4, get the next preference. So 5 multiply 4 become 20. 20 modulus 3 minus 10. Now this part will be evaluated next according to the table. So now 20 modulus 3, the remainder will be 2. So 2 minus 10, answer will be minus 12. Okay, so I hope you have understood here how operator precedence and associativity will help us. Okay, will help us to solve the problem when there is an expression where multiple operator of different precedence is occurred, or when there is an expression where multiple operator with equal precedence is occurred. So So when their precedence is equal, follow the associativity. When precedence are different, then follow the precedence table. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, how this operator expression with arithmetic operator can be solved with the help of operator precedence and associativity. Thank you very much. Wait for the next video.